My name is Margaret, and I'm coming to you from our family farm. And we are going to begin our journey of thinking about and what you need to do to prepare for to hatch your own little chicks. You want to add them to your family, you want to add some to your flock. This is your chance to start from the very beginning. So let's get started. Manna believes in nurturing life, and we are happy to walk you through the egg-exciting incubation journey. Please remember, you are hatching live animals, and they are an investment for years to come. Believe it or not, they can live 5 to 10 years. Are you ready for that kind of commitment? Also, hatching chicks will not guarantee your female to male split, so you are likely going to end up with a few of the roosters. Chickens are flock animals, and to be hen happy, they need to be in groups of 3 or more. Before you begin, do your homework. What do you want to do with your chicks after they hatch? Give them away or keep them? There are families starting flocks of their own right now, which makes it easier to find a home for some of these hatched chicks. If you want to start a flock of your own, you need to do a little investigation first. Are you allowed to have chickens wherever you live, whether it's backyard in the city or out on a farm? How many are you allowed? Are roosters allowed? They can be loud. Another thing to remember is that those little chicks grow so fast. Chicks will start in a small brooder, but then they move up to a more secure location by week 4. And once they're fully feathered, they can transition outside to the coop. A professional farm tip: make sure that coop is ready to go when you start hatching your eggs, because they will roost if it is built. So you've determined you can have little chickens or a full flock. So let's determine what you might want to do with them once they hatch. Are you looking for fresh eggs, fresh meat, or to control some insects? A few top-laying hen breeds include Leghorns, who are not real cold hardy but do lay quite a few nice light white eggs. Rhode Island Reds are cold hardy and they lay 5 nice brown eggs a week. Easter Eggers are cold hardy and lay 4 colored eggs a week. Silkies are also cold hardy but lay 3 very small eggs a week. If you're thinking about ducks, you could think about Campbells, Runners, and Buffs. They all lay 3 to 5 eggs a week. If you're looking for meat, you need to consider a broiler variety, which include Cornishes, Jersey Giants, and the breeds. Oh, turkeys, ready for Thanksgiving? Include a giant white, bourbon red, or white Holland. Ducks also include pecans and Muscovies. For insect control, definitely go with guinea fowl. They're great. Also, where are you going to get your fertilized eggs? You can choose to incubate your homegrown eggs or use a trusted local mail order hatchery. For homegrown, how do you know that they're fertilized? First, a rooster is essential to this process, and you can use candling to confirm that they are fertilized, which we'll cover in Module 2. A trusted hatchery should also follow the National Poultry Improvement Plan. We want to keep the risk of disease as low as you can for your flock, whether you're adding to it or just getting started. For shipped eggs, use a hatchery, such as Hoover's Hatchery, who will offer a wide variety of eggs and breeds. A local hatchery helps reduce travel time and can increase the success of your hatchery. Another professional tip from the farm: fertilized eggs can be kept for a maximum of 7 days in a relatively cool room. But remember, refrigerators will keep the eggs way too cold. Also, you want to store the eggs the wide side up in a cool room, not a refrigerator, in a cool room, to ensure that they have a large egg sac to increase the hatchability. All right, we'll begin our next modules by setting up our incubator and seeing what those eggs look like as they develop. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day.